We're at Pinconning High School, Pinconning, Michigan. Starting the work commute home. This was quite an eventful day. Another school job was canceled. I didn't know why. I found out when I walked outside a big massive snowstorm after I accepted the Pinconning job. So we are getting hit with RUDOLPH-THE-REDNOSED-REINDEER sized snowstorms in November in Michigan. So we will continue when we get up on the road. It was pretty tough driving earlier today. Now, right now, this is Pinconning Road, heading towards I-75, which was down to one lane this morning. And when we get there, we'll switch back on, but this is what Pinconning Road looks like. It's approximately 3 miles from I-75, the exit 181 on I-75 to Pinconning High School. This is what the land looks like. It is way different from yesterday. It's more like what it was on some of those videos I shot for the a day in the year 2018 videos. So here comes some whiteout up here on the road. Blowing and drifting is happening now, even though the precipitation itself has stopped. But those dark clouds in the west are warnings of what is to come. More snow is to be dumped. So for now, I'm going to pause until we get on I-75. I'll film some of that for a while. That's one of 2 different routes that we have. We have another one where we go down 7 Mile Road, and that would be just impossible. That's a 2-lane undivided highway. So I do miss having Andrew to film. See him trying to hold this steady and do the most important thing, which is driving. And the thing about this is it's eyes on the road all the way. There's no driving that's being neglected by me doing this. It's just I'm holding the camera with a hand that is not involved in the driving because it is disabled by my stroke. So the work commute video gets filled, and this is what I-75 is right now. We are traveling at 75 miles an hour, which is the speed limit, and that's a good thing. Well, we've got 74 miles an hour. But I'm telling you, this morning it was 40 and under coming up. And I was a good 45 minutes late because I had to be rerouted on our old friend US 10 instead of down this back road that's like the road I mentioned, the other alternate route on 7 Mile Road, a road called Wheeler Road, which has a lot of whiteouts, a lot of it's a long stretch of road, and if there's patches of slipperiness, or in cases this morning, massive snowiness, it would have been very difficult of a drive. Not a fit morning for man nor beast this morning. And on US 10, we did have right about in an area not too far from where that big wreck was last week, we had another multi-car spin out and contact accident in the middle of the median. See how we have this median here? It's like a ditch. Well, it's a little bit less of a ditch on US 10, but it still is, once your car's in there, you are off the road and you're stuck there until a wrecker comes and gets you. Unless they got about 15 men to push you out, or persons, excuse me. Anyway, I can't know anybody in their right mind wants to get down in that ditch. There have been some real wing dingers, and if you go online, as far as accidents, and they have some of the nasty ones that are right online. They showed us when I worked at Dow Chemical Company, they showed us a couple of those during the mass floor meetings that we had to stress safety, and these were horrible car wrecks that you knew there were fatalities involved. And it still haunts me to this day, and that was like 2013. So anyway, we're going to turn off here. We're going to turn the video to pause till we go a little bit further down the road. Beaver Road exit here. This is where we get off 75. On our Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer commute. We don't usually have blizzard type storms like we had this morning in November. It just doesn't happen. Looks like we got some drifting here on Beaver Road entry. Now you're going to see a little bit of how the side roads are. You see it's all piled up there because this indeed was a winter storm. And I know we're going to have some more doozies. Ooh, here comes the plow. We've got blowing and drifting snow going through some. And he is throwing crap on our car. And this is going to require some diligent driving on my part. I'm going to turn it. I'm going to show you a little of Wheeler Road when we get there, but then I'm going to end the video for the commute, the work commute today. Again, I'm thinking of renaming this channel to just commute because we do all kinds of different driving and adventures. We did a Black Friday adventure, of course. Whoa! And there are Black Friday videos on the internet, on YouTube. Now here's 7 miles. This is the road we would take the alternate to the interstate, which I a lot of times take the my other car, rear wheel drive vehicle. So for here I'm going to just put on pause because we got some real action. I'll try to get this thing, but it's really like putting us up on the side of the road, trying to okay, this I'm gonna pause. I'm gonna see if we can do something on Wheeler Road, but I have my doubts. So this will be 2 videos if there's another video. And good day.